BigBear.ai stock closed at $6.73. That's down from its February high of $10.36, but it's still up 51% this year and a massive 329% in the last 12 months. And investors are naturally wondering if the stock can get back to $10 or maybe even skyrocket to $15. And I think that's the real question. Can this insane run keep going, or is it about to all fall apart? See, everyone thinks that Big Bear is just another flashy AI play that's chasing hype. It's not. Their tech is literally embedded in airports, border security, and defense systems, places where precision isn't optional, it's life or death. They've got contracts with the Department of Defense, the NSA, and the Air Force. And just last month, they rolled out new airport security systems in Nashville and struck a global partnership with Smith's Detection. Meanwhile, their facial recognition software is getting 99% plus accuracy in real time, which is why I think most investors are missing what really matters here. Because the big signal that I'm watching isn't revenue growth, it's how their defense alignment with the new national defense strategy could push them deeper into government deals, locking in multi-year, high-stakes contracts. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. And you all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by almost 6 times. Go to fool.com/RickO to get your 10 stock picks right now. And that's why in this video, I'm going to break down whether Big Bear is a true high-risk, high-reward opportunity or a landmine for retail investors. My name is Rick Orford. I've been trading since 1999, and I'm not a financial advisor. That's a good thing. It means I'm not here to sell you something that you don't want. I'm here to break down the numbers so retail investors like you and me can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. BigBear.ai Holdings is an AI-driven technology company headquartered in Virginia that helps organizations operationalize artificial intelligence by providing AI-powered security and analytics solutions, including those for logistics, identity management, border security, and infrastructure monitoring. And here's the part that I think a lot of people miss about Big Bear. When people think about AI-driven companies, the image that often comes up, right, is flashy startups chasing hype and headlines. But Big Bear isn't built on hype. It's already built into critical systems. They are, in fact, already embedded in systems that governments and airports depend on, as their technology supports critical missions in national security, defense, and other high-stakes industries where precision is not only optional, but absolutely essential. Over the years, Big Bear has secured several contracts from various government agencies, including the Department of Defense, the National Security Agency, and of course, the United States Air Force. And that's not just revenue, that's credibility, because these agreements highlight not only the demand, but also the trust that these institutions place in Big Bear's technology. And this is where it starts to get interesting, right? They're also expanding into finance and consumer applications. Big Bear offers software that's tailored for digital identity and biometrics, and that leverages their advanced vision AI to deliver unmatched accuracy in authentication and verification. What does this mean? Well, the high-grade technology that's used for national security is now adopted for everyday interactions, and that allows for frictionless user experiences across different industries. So you could say that Big Bear is taking defense-level tech and pushing it into the mainstream. All right, so with all that out of the way, let's talk about their most important product lineup. We'll start with Trueface. This is Big Bear's facial recognition software that performs both one-to-one and one-to-many matches in real time with 99% accuracy. Then we have veriScan. This product is tailored for ports and airports and supports secure and efficient traveler authentication. Meanwhile, the Pangiam Threat Detection platform strengthens airport and baggage screening, and it combines advanced AI with real-time decision support to improve security operations worldwide. And these products demonstrate while BigBear's solutions are regarded as mission-ready. And when a company's products are considered mission-ready, that usually means that revenue is more predictable than the hype-driven AI bets. Now, let's talk about the stock, right? BigBear stock recently closed at $6.73, down from its February high of $10.36. Year to date, though, the stock is up 51%, and over the last 52 weeks, it's up 329%. So here's the million-dollar question. Is that growth sustainable, or has BigBear already run too far, too fast? Because stock performance, it's not everything, right? What drives the company's growth also matters. And it's something that gets asked a lot on my Discord channel. For more than 3 decades, the company has supported the missions of the U.S. Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, and of course, the intelligence community. And BigBear has proven its ability to deliver operational readiness, giving decision makers real-time forecasting, risk management, and course of action support. And that's a rare edge in a market where most AI companies are still trying to prove that their tech actually works. In 2024, the Department of Defense released its first National Defense Industrial Strategy, the NDIS, which emphasizes the need for industry partners to deliver advanced capabilities at speed and at scale. And the NDIS objectives align directly with BigBear's strengths, positioning the company to leverage their AI solutions to help build a trusted and secure defense ecosystem. In English, if defense spending ramps up, BigBear could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. And defense, it isn't their only growth lever. Beyond defense, BigBear applies its long experience in manufacturing, supply chains, and logistics to optimize companies' operations. The digital twin modeling and simulation technology, for example, helps their clients analyze options quickly, refine investment and layout decisions, and anticipate outcomes, driving efficiency, risk management, and better performance across complex, large-scale systems. BigBear also has several promising deals in the pipeline that could move the company closer to profitability and elevate it from an emerging tech player into an industry powerhouse. And this, folks, is where the entire stock story could flip. In September 2025, the Nashville International Airport became the latest major hub to adopt BigBear's enhanced passenger processing for international arrivals. The system has already reduced wait times, eased peak congestion, and improved efficiency, creating a more smoother and more secure passenger experience. For airports, these improvements translate into faster operations and stronger security. It's not just convenience, that's a real-world moat that's forming right now in motion. Also, last month in August, BigBear's Pangiam Threat Detection was integrated with Smith's Detection's screening systems. Deployed globally, this pairing enhances airport security by enabling real-time detection of prohibited items in luggage. Its open architecture design also improves workflows and allows operators to adapt quickly to fastly evolving threats. So the more airports upgrade, the harder it becomes for competitors to displace BigBear. That same month, BigBear also entered a multi-year partnership with NFL's Washington Commanders, securing naming rights to the team's 162-acre training complex in Virginia, now called the BigBear.ai Performance Center. Beyond the naming rights, the deal extends branding across stadium suites, practice jerseys, and other assets, giving the company a broad national visibility. The partnership also reflects Big Bear's strategy to align with organizations focused on performance, innovation, and long-term growth. In other words, this isn't just marketing. It's positioning Big Bear as a household name. And finally, Big Bear announced the launch of a next-generation cargo security solution in Panama. This system uses biometric verifications and real-time tracking to link drivers and cargo, which will ensure accountability and transparency. Positioned at the Panama Canal, a critical global trade hub, the platform is designed to disrupt smuggling and enhance supply chain security, with plans for regional and global expansion. And if this scales, Big Bear could quietly lock down a huge share of the global logistics security market. So that's it for catalysts. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the risks to Big Bear. So be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that one. Now, let's talk about the stock. A consensus among 5 analysts rate Big Bear stock a moderate buy with a high price target of $8, and that suggests as much as 19% potential upside from here. Now, I know you might be looking for $10 or $15, but to me that seems unlikely in the next 12 months. Well, not unless something really big happens. The average analyst score here is 3.8, and it's remained unchanged for the last 3 months. So I would say that Wall Street is cautiously optimistic, but no one's betting the farm. And I think that's right. From an investor standpoint, Big Bear is a high-risk, high-reward story. If you really believe in the company's prospects and you want to jump in, well, maybe you limit your exposure to a small portion of your risk capital. It might turn into a genius idea sometime in the future. For me, I don't mind for now watching from the sidelines while I prioritize other more mature companies with verifiable revenue growth and durable government and commercial contracts. Because the truth is, timing matters just as much as belief in the long-term story. But what about you? Are you buying into Big Bear's growth potential? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, like and subscribe so it'll help others find this video as well. Well, folks, that's it for me today. I wanted to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.